Why is it so hard to get in? Good Lord. I'm about to win this fight, sweet potato. I've been wanting some ribs, but I don't eat pork no more. Pork make my head hurt. But why y'all ain't told me about the beef short ribs? So we about to try them and see what they talking about. I got 4 packs because I got a big family and they can eat. We got all our ribs in here, so let's go wash. I normally only wash these with just water. Rub it just to make sure I'm getting all the extra blood and all that other stuff off of it. Oh, did I introduce myself? If you're new here, I am Brittany Marshall. I'm a stay-at-home mama of 4. We cook over here. Hey, this is just about my life, okay? This bowl is a little heavy. These are good and clean. I just gotta wash my hands. Every time I wash some meat, they be having that slimy stuff on it. I'm gonna dry this meat off. Let's season these up. This is olive oil in here. I'm just gonna put some on here. Creole, onion powder, garlic powder, ranch, paprika, and some, brown sugar. I'm gonna go wash my hands again. So here the ribs, I'll season up real good. Girl, go on. I'm gonna just let this sit for about 30 minutes. Chop up some onion. Okay, now we're gonna sear these. Okay, let me take them out. Add some garlic. Add onions. Add these beef ribs. Add Worcestershire sauce, some brown sugar, beef broth. Let's add some barbecue sauce. Put this on high for 5 hours, and then we'll be back to check on it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and wash these dishes so that way it'll be clean, because I like to clean up as I go so I don't have that much to do at the end. Hold on, let me, what's that? No, I'm taking it out the dishwasher. You leave it in the dishwasher. Don't start the dishwasher, no. I got some Japanese sweet potatoes. These are pretty big. I've never had Japanese sweet potatoes before, but we're gonna try them today, see what they taste like. Have y'all ever had Japanese sweet potatoes? I'm just gonna slice these in half. Let me see, I might have to fight with this. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I think it's about to win. I'm about to win this fight, sweet potato. Just don't give up, you'll get it. I'm gonna put some oil. I'll rub them down with the oil. I'm gonna season them with some sea salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven for 45 minutes on 400. Lord, please don't let this fall down here. Oh, won't he do it? Yes, he will. This is what they look like right now. They got about 2 hours left. Oh, they might have less than 2 hours left. They falling off the bone. I'm gonna cut up some bacon. This is turkey bacon. I'm gonna do like just 3 pieces. Is good enough. I'm gonna just chop up some of this green bell pepper. I don't have no red, so I'm gonna just use this. I got orange. I'm gonna use a little bit of orange too. Let me go wash this off. Some garlic, onion, and peppers. Add this bacon in here. Okay, add the cabbage. Oops. Creole, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and some chicken bouillon, butter. Okay, and I'm just let that cook for a little bit. Let's check on this. Okay, y'all, I believe these are done. Let's see. Yeah, I think these are done. So they cooked for 4 hours. Here's what the cabbage looks like.
Hey, Mommy.
Come on, you ready? Come on, let's go eat. Come on. Y'all's plates are ready. Here's my husband's plate. Here's my plate, y'all. This is so tender. Okay, let me taste this Japanese potato. That's what it looks like. That's good. We finna go sit down and eat. Thank y'all for cooking with me today. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload, okay? And I will see y'all next time. Bye.